more solving equations. These are trinomials, and they have a coefficient on the leading term, which means decomposition is probably the way to handle them. This one has a middle coefficient of minus 13. Its first times last coefficients would be 3 times negative 10 is negative 30. So we need two numbers which will add up to negative 13 and multiply to negative 30. That doesn't look good. That's a maybe. That's a maybe. 5 times 6 is possible, and that's the end of our list. Minus 3 and minus 10 would multiply to minus 30. I guess that can't be it. Negative 15 and plus 2 looks like the one. That'll add up to minus 13, and if you multiply them, you'll get minus 30. So, rewriting this, 3x squared plus 2x minus 15x minus 10 equals 0. Now we factor by grouping. X comes out of here, leaves 3x plus 2. For this next pair, we can take out negative 5, which leaves us with 3x plus 2. So our common factor is 3x plus 2. Take that out, and you're left with x minus 5. So, for our two solutions, either 3x plus 2 equals 0, which would mean 3x is negative 2, which would mean x is minus 2/3, or the other factor, x minus 5 equals 0, which would mean x is 5. This one is given to us in a bad format. First thing I want to do is take that minus 25 to the left-hand side. We want these to equal 0. It's the 0 product law, not the 25 product law. It's not going to work with anything other than a 0 on the right-hand side. So, there we go. You can factor out a 5 immediately, and that leaves you with x squared plus 6x plus 5. Now here we need two numbers which add up to 6 and multiply to 5. It's got to be 1 and 5. So either x plus 1 equals 0, that's this factor, which would mean x equals negative 1, or x plus 5 equals 0, which means x equals negative 5. You remember, there's no need to do this. You can take this number and write it, but you get something that's impossible and therefore has no solution. So writing this constant equals 0 is a waste of time. Only the ones with variables are worth looking at and will give you solutions.